Today we're cooking Kongnamul Muchim, or soybean sprouts. You'll need the following ingredients: 450 grams of soybean sprouts, 1 green onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, and salt and pepper to taste, approximately 1 teaspoon of salt. Rinse the soybeans in cold water. Strain the soybeans. Do this twice. Fill the pot with cold water and put the soybean sprouts into the cold water. Close the lid and bring to a boil. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Do not open the lid until the sprouts are cooked, otherwise the smell of the raw bean sprouts will linger. Drain the soybean sprouts. Rinse under cold water and drain the water fully. Mix the green onions, garlic, sesame oil, sesame seeds, salt, and pepper with the soybean sprouts. And that's how you make a fresh Kongnamul Muchim. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below.